coming down from the top or coming down from the bottom. I think he's shoving it out. And he's coming from the bottom. He's going like this. And the top's going. Top's coming through like that. Through the bottom and come through the top, but I don't think you're gonna be able to do that. Yeah, because you got one that'll shove it out. You can shove it out, and then the other one presses it in. The thing is, I'm gonna put her back in. It's gonna be like this. I gotta get enough room. That one's gonna go like that. Press it in. I gotta get enough clearance. I gotta get enough clearance on the ground to go up. So stage again. Sit on top like that, and then you're going through. It's going through. Right, so it's the combination I'm doing right now. I got to get enough room. I'm gonna have to get it up higher. Yeah, I got almost enough room. I just got to get. I still got to get it up high enough. And body's really not that high. So I just gotta get this up, down out of my way. And I really don't have any lift on it. So it's because it's gotta go, it's gonna have to go like this. I gotta get some more lift on it. I think we'll be all right. This. I'm gonna put that on top of that block. Little body. Okay. Try it. Right on. That'd be enough. Just like that. How's that look? Oh yeah, you got plenty of left there. All right. This little combination I got right here. Yeah, look at this. Okay. Just like that. Oh, it's a little wider. Let's see here. If I go on the bottom. Show that up. Boy, that stuff has had some serious use to it. Flat in there. Thing is, you don't want to break the tool, because then you're gonna own it. Looks like it's been used quite a bit. We'll go. Okay. Just missed that? Okay, good. Okay, I got it. Got what I wanted. Okay, so my combination right now, this one here, that will go with that. Okay, that's gonna sit on there like that, and then you're gonna push this up in here like so. It's gonna lock into that. Shove it back up in there. All right. What I need is another. Put it on top of that. Okay, this one here, it's not wider than that one. It's not pushing. It's not wider. I need it wide. I need one wider than that one, because that's gonna go here. How far up in there that goes? May not need it. No. Maybe you will. Just gotta go around that. I need it wider than the base. Okay. I need the one wider than the base. Okay. That's actually the way it goes. It actually sits inside that, and then when it comes through, it's going to go in there. Okay. So let's have fun. Okay. So it's going up under there like that. So first. You out of my way.